Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to download video from Pinterest on Android. Firstly, before I start with this explanational video, I need to mention that there is no difference between working on Android or working on iPhone. It is the same process with the same simple steps. Firstly, you need to get up onto some video which is related into your interest, for example this one. Now you need to go on the three dots and you need to go for a copy link. When you copy that link, you need to get up and go to your Play Store, or you can go to your Google and type for Pinterest downloader, and you can get up and choose the first selection right here. Here you can simply download this application. You'll need to add the link on it. It will just cover up the link and then you're gonna be able to download it. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.